This video provides an overview of the inbound email flow process and quick message setup. You can skip to any of these topics from the YouTube description for this video. Flow Designer allows you to define rules to process incoming emails and assign cases. This enables you to manage inbound emails through a simple, visual Flow Designer interface without having to design or request complex scripts. Quick messages are prepared content that can be added to the message body of emails to customers. Configuring quick message templates helps streamline the user workflow, providing a better customer experience and a more linear response process. Aside from the content of the message, they can also be configured to contain signatures, company logos, hot links, and more. Different quick messages can be configured for each type of task record so that users are presented with the contextual messages to be used to respond to specific situations. This means users don't have to search for the correct templates for their identity. Let's take a look. Beth is a manager at Acme. She wants to make sure that any emails coming from one of their customers, Boxio Inc., get assigned to dedicated support agents. Beth defines the rules to process incoming emails that will create and assign cases. She can do this using inbound email flows. Beth wants to have a case created from any incoming emails sent from customers. Additionally, she wants those cases from this customer to be assigned directly to her support team. She opens the Flow Designer to create conditions to make this happen. This condition has identified the email address matching the contact record. So it creates a case for this customer. Additional conditions can be made by expanding here. Beth creates a condition to have cases assigned to her support team, and saves it. Now, any incoming emails from a known contact to support will get converted into a case, and the case will get assigned to the Acme support team. With the email rules defined, let's see how Beth can configure the quick messages to make it easier for her support team users to provide prepared responses to customers. She accesses the Quick Messages module in the Email Client application. These are the default quick messages available. Let's look at Sample Disclaimer. This quick message is designed to place a disclaimer at the bottom of all response emails to customers. No table is specified for this message because we don't want to limit who has access to this particular quick message. Down here is the body of the message with the prepared disclaimer. Still Investigating is a quick message that John can use to notify customers that he's working on their case. We can see in the table column that this quick message has been assigned to the case table, but let's take a deeper look into the record to learn more. Here we can see the table assigned to this quick message, and here are the conditions that will apply to it. In other words, this quick message can be used for any case where the state is not resolved, closed, or canceled. The body contains the prepared quick message. As an admin user, Beth has the flexibility to use variables in the message body. She's already added variables to show the case number, but she also wants to add the date and time the case was created. She can select the variable by expanding here and selecting what she wants to add. In this case, when it was created. And there it is. Additional modifications can be made, such as text and font color. Here we see the actual message that will be sent to the customer. The highlighted section shows what the agent can edit before sending. For the signature, we see that variables have been added to display the current user, the user's title, and a company tagline, as well as a company logo and hot links to social media pages. Now that the quick message has been edited, let's see how it looks when in use from the agent's perspective. A customer at Boxio Inc. has sent an email about an issue he's having with a router. Thanks to the rules we defined earlier, the customer is identified, a case is created from the email, and it's been assigned to the Acme support team, just as Beth intended. John Jason, a member of the support team, logs in and the case is pushed to him. The contextual menu gives him a number of actions to choose from. He wants to send an email, so he clicks here. Since this case is in an open state, the Still Investigating quick message can be applied. Here, John can edit any portion of the quick message he needs. The benefit here is that the bulk of the message has already been composed, saving him time. Looking at the quick message, we can see the variable we added, showing the date and time the case was created. Scrolling down, we see John's personal signature, along with the other variables added, such as the company logo and social media hot links. Multiple quick messages can be used. Here, John adds the disclaimer and sends. As the business admin, Beth has access to the different executions, which will show how her cases were assigned with a back-end view. Here we can see a list of the different executions. Beth can drill down into any of these items to get more detail on the specific execution. Here she confirms that a case was created from an incoming email from the customer. The new email client enhancements completely transform the experience for the business managers, like Beth, in managing incoming emails and providing excellent customer service. And with configured email templates, agents will also save time when responding to customers. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.